Assalamualaikum girls. Now we are going to do question number 12, exercise 7.3. That is the last question of exercise 7.3. I am reading the question. For what value of q is the expression 5x cube minus 14x plus q exactly divisible by x minus 2? Okay, what they are saying, it means this expression 5x cube minus 14x plus q will not exactly divisible by x minus 2 means हमें कुछ remainder बचेगा, and they are saying what value of q, what we have to put in place of q. Okay, to find out the value of q we have to divide first, so we will divide. Let's step number 1. See step number 1. What we will do to divide, you know very well. We have to take the first term of the dividend and first term of the divisor. 5x cube divided by x. Cancel this x, minus 1, I am getting 5x square. Multiply this 5x square to x minus 2. Okay, so 5 ones are 5 and x and 2 and x3 will become x cube plus minus minus 5 2s are 10 and x square. So by multiplying 5x square I am getting 5x cube. See, minus 10x square is unlike term. So you have to write over here minus at the side of over here, right? It cannot be subtract from 14x. So change the sign, plus into minus, minus into plus. Okay, see both are the additive inverse, cancel it. Now what we have to do? All the term are unlike, cube minus 14x plus 10x square. These cannot be subtract. So which term should be written in the second step first? 10x square minus 14x or cube, we have to write 10x square first. Why should I write 10x square first? Because we have to arrange the expression in the descending order always, and 10x square is the greatest power, that is 2. So write it 10x square first and minus 14x power 1 and plus cube. Now step number 2. Step number 2. Okay, take this 10x square, divided it by x. Cancel x, minus 1, I am getting 10x. Multiply this 10x to x minus 2. I am getting what? 10x square plus 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 minus minus and 10 2s are 20x. Okay, I am getting 10x square and minus 20x. When I multiply x minus 2 by plus 10x. Okay, now change the sign, plus into minus, plus into minus into plus. This cancel. Now minus plus minus, subtract 14 from 20, I am getting 6x. And sign of greater number, that is plus, and copy this cube. Okay, step number 3. Step number 3, right? 6x divide, and yes, going to divide again first term of the dividend and first term of the divisor, x. 6x is the first term. Cancel x, what I am getting 6, हमें 6 मिला. 6 को हम मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे x minus 2 से. So multiply, by multiplying we are having 6x plus minus minus, 6 2s are 12. Okay. Now write it here. When I multiply plus 6, I am getting 6x and minus 12. Change the sign, plus into minus, minus into plus. Right? Cancel it. It is additive inverse. So both are the unlike term. So copy this q and plus 12. Okay. Now what is the value of q? You can realize yourself, if we are having over here in place of q 12 minus 12, it can be cancelled after changing the sign. So write it here, let q plus 12 equal to 0. Suppose it. Okay. So plus 12 when we shift, yes, next side q equal to minus, it will become negative when we shift it. So value of q should be what? Minus 12. So if we are having in place of q minus 12 over here, there will be no remainder, right? So the value of q is 12.